What's up, guys? All right, I'm not showing y'all my head, so this lovely wig is a wig from OMG Hair. You guys have seen me do plenty of videos. It's probably like my 5th video with them, so I absolutely love their hair. I'm super excited and thrilled to try this curl. Today is Father's Day, so I'm really gonna be on the gram taking plenty of pictures with this wig. But for now, I'm gonna show you guys how to install. So I already cut the lace off of the 360. I didn't feel the need to show you guys because you guys know how I do this anyways. I did leave the lace, the front of the lace right here, because I don't like cutting it unless it's on my head or on a wig head. So this is where we're at right now with the wig. I didn't pluck it yet. I didn't tweeze anything. I only bleached the knots and kind of just left it. But I do feel like I'm probably just gonna tweeze a little bit just to make it a little bit more like me. But I am kind of feeling this, and it's cute and it's a short length, so I'm really excited to go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and just pluck and tweeze a little bit right here. I'm only gonna show you guys a small amount of this process because you guys know this process, okay? I think this looks really snatched and good. Alright, let's come back up to my head. You know what? I need to get a mirror. 1 second. Obviously, I'm gonna use Gotta Be Glued, my favorite. I don't know if I should put a lot. You know what? Let me just put as much as I think I need. Line it down. This is giving me like, I like big hair. It's just sometimes it's really hard for me because I feel like my face looks so swallowed up. But this one actually looks kind of nice. Like I said, I love OMG Hair. Like, I've used plenty of their wigs before. Lately, nothing by the ears wants to stick for me. I just don't know what it is, but lately nothing is sticking by the ears. Nothing. Now I'm gonna let it dry. For everyone that has asked me about this, like, this, it's not a head tie. It's the string to my robe. But it comes in handy for your wigs, to be honest, because I can't with the other things. But yes, I'm gonna let this dry until then, you know. See you in the next 10 minutes. You know what, as this is drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and start taming the curls. I'm liking it puffy and big like this, so what I'm gonna actually do is use mousse and water. So some in my hands. Okay, now we don't want no hard curls, so that's where the mousse comes into play. I mean, that's where the water comes into play. We don't want no hard curls. The fact that I could just brush my hands through this without even having to comb it is like the best thing. Like, who doesn't want curly hair like that? And I don't know what kind of part I'm gonna be doing, so I'm not really combing it in a certain direction. I'm gonna make this dry some more and then I'm gonna come back. All right, so my hair should be dry now, I hope, because your girl got to go. Okay, yeah. Ooh, ow. Okay, it's dry. Partially. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is, it is dry, so that's great, but it looks a little chaka in the front. So I'm gonna just smooth it by using some mousse, shaking that. Now you don't have to put too much, because if you put too much, you don't need too much, okay? So let's just put a little bit in the front. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just comb it neatly. Comb it neatly going back. And then I want to take out a little bit of hair. I'm gonna cut some little pieces of baby hair, not too much. We ain't going cray right now. Only on the parts where the lace is showing a lot. I'm gonna put more mousse, and we're gonna use that to kind of set the baby hair. Okay. So I didn't have nowhere to put the rest of it. All right, so I kind of seen Aaliyah J do this to set some of her baby hairs, but not all of it, by using the mousse. So that's why I'm trying the mousse method. I used to do it in the past, but then I stopped because when you're used to one thing, you're just used to it. Actually, Sorry, I have nowhere to put the rest of the mousse. Alright, now I know I do want a part because I don't have to go with a part, but I kind of want a part. Actually, no, I don't. I'm gonna take half of this and probably this half, and I'm actually gonna I gotta fix this baby here. But the side part is looking really cute. Let me see the middle part. Alright, I'm gonna do the side part. What I have to do is probably open the part a little bit more back here and then flatten it. So I'm gonna open the part. So this is what I'm gonna take out, all of this. I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite L'Oreal True Match and an angled brush. We gonna color that part. You can go ahead and use your finger to just smudge it out a little bit. Now this part is important because we got this little nice baby here to lay, and it's nice and soft. We could pick it up easily if we wanted to. My end result. This is where I'm at right now. I think it came out pretty damn good, if you ask me. I think it looks good. What do you think? Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Tell me how you like this curly look. I'm gonna be on Instagram all day and Snapchat, so I'll probably post some of the snaps and everything in this video in case you guys don't follow me on Snapchat, but you should be following me on Snapchat and Instagram. If you're not, that's why you're missing out on giveaways and you're missing out on big announcements and events and when the wig sale is. So you need to be following me on Instagram, just saying. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you see today, and thank you guys for watching. Today's video is with OMG here, and yeah.